Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Yes, I look tired because I am tired. We've been traveling for like a full day. We left our house like 24 hours ago and we've not been to sleep yet because we flew to Thailand. We're in Pattaya, as you'll have seen off yesterday's vlog. But anywho, our first port of call every time we come to Pattaya is Jomtien. And we go to the night market where you can buy a bit of everything, a bit of the knockoff genuine stuff, food and stuff like that. So we always come down here because the food is fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Get a look at this. So like I say, there's a few lines of it. And this is the market side of it. Then a bit further down we have the food, and that's the bit that we come for. So I've got to be careful about the copywritten music, so it'll just be little short clips. But yeah, this is the Jomtien food market. That's the Russian food, and it always has a massive line on it because there is a lot of Russians here. But you can see just how popular this market is. Yep, you struggle to get a seat if you're not here early enough. Whilst I talk over the copyrighted music, this is a new entrance that's just been put in. Cool. Here's the bar, first place to go to. 85 baht for a big bottle of chang like that. Fresh seafood, pizzas, juices, pad thai, more fish, fresh strawberries with chocolate. These are lovely. Chicken nuggets, French fries, crepes. Donuts, popcorn, loads of choice here. Duck, fresh fish, or some crocodile. After a while, crocodile. I've heard it's got a bit of bite. Yeah, I'm stupid. I will be coming back for some of them because those potato chip things are lush. Kebabs going on over here. Fresh fruit smoothies. Hot dogs. Salads. More fish. Sushi. Yeah, you got a bit of everything here, look. More fruit smoothies. All different types of stuff on a stick. Fish. More smoothies and more smoothies. I like the smoothies. But this place here is where I'll be going because I'll be getting the duck, not the duck, I'll be getting the chicken from here. It is absolutely lush. Got ribs, cakes and desserts, tom yum, and this is Mr. Pad Thai Boom. Very, very popular. He makes about 7 or 8 portions at a time. And he always has a line. Like I say, look at the line for him. More meats. Bits of the insides. I've heard it's awful. Sorry. Lovely meat there, look. spring rolls. Lovely pizzas. Oh yeah. Lots of different kebabs. I quite often get these. Jacket potatoes. This girl makes fantastic burgers. I mean, they really are top drawer burgers. Your fish, battered fish, crepes. Take your pick off that menu. And then down here, you've got curries. And they really are nice. That's where they are, right there. These are fantastic curries. Got the chicken up there ready to go in. But anyways, that's enough of me waffling on. It's time to get some scran. So I'm going to get the chicken, some of the potatoes, and possibly a kebab or two. A little chicken kebab or two. I don't know. We'll see. But crying babies are no good. So that's the chicken I'll be getting. Saudi carp, half chicken. Yeah. So this is what I've got. I've got the chicken and I've got my potatoes. These are mine and Ellie's favourite. We love this. Cost 200 baht, which is about £2.50. £2.50 for a meal like that. Wow. And of course Emma had to get
pad thai.
Pad thai that was scatting hot. So there you have it then. This is Jomtien night market. Brilliant for food. As you can see behind me, it is ram-packed. Really, really good. And it's only a Wednesday night. So yeah, get yourself down here for some scran. If you want some knockoff stuff, there is better places than this, but they do still do some of the knockoff genuine Adidas and Louis Vuitton. Yeah. But for food, this is definitely the best one. Anywho, so see you on the next one. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Now it's time to do your job.